Alright, folks, let's dive into the world of healthy food hacks that are actually lies. Myth number 1. All carbs are bad. Contrary to popular belief, not all carbs are evil. Complex carbs found in whole grains, fruits, and veggies are packed with essential nutrients that our bodies need. It's the simple carbs like white bread and sugary drinks that we should watch out for. Remember, carbs aren't the enemy. It's all about making the right choices. Moving on to myth number 2. Fat-free is always healthy. Don't fall for this trap. Healthy fats from avocados, nuts, and olive oil are crucial for keeping us full and aiding in nutrient absorption. Those low-fat products? Well, they often sneak in extra sugar or unhealthy fillers, so watch out for those imposters. Now, let's tackle myth number 3. Detox diets cleanse your system. Your body is a natural detox machine. No fancy diets required. Those trendy detox plans can actually do more harm than good, leading to nutrient deficiencies and unhealthy habits. Stick to nourishing your body with real, whole foods instead. Myth number 4. Healthy snacks mean giving up flavor. Who says healthy can't be delicious? From homemade trail mix to yogurt with berries and even baked veggie chips, there are plenty of tasty options out there that won't compromise your health goals. Say goodbye to bland snacks and hello to a world of flavor-packed goodness. Last but not least, myth number 5. Eating small. Frequent meals boosts metabolism. It's time to set the record straight. The key to a healthy metabolism isn't about how often you eat, but rather what you eat overall. Listen to your body, eat mindfully, and focus on balanced meals that keep you satisfied and energized throughout the day. So, there you have it, folks. Let's debunk these common healthy food myths with a sprinkle of humor and a dash of practical advice. Remember, it's all about finding a balanced and sustainable approach to healthy eating. Stay informed, stay nourished, and most importantly, stay fabulous.